Alright, I just come home from school. When I turned this PC on, the weather bug just went off. You guys do not believe this. You don't know, it's about 40% of the United States is covered on purple. Look at that. Winter advisory until 10 p.m. So it's not a big one, it's just a short one. Look at that, look at that. Dark Texas to Canada to Maine, upper at Canada, so they do have some winter storm warnings, and this is, okay, that's unbelievable right there, look at that. They're not under a winter advisory, look at that. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counties. No, 10 counties. 10 counties. It's not covered on winter advisory. And we do have some winter storm warnings in rural Indiana and upper county in southern part of Ohio. New Mexico, Colorado, and Wyoming. Arizona got under pink. And went to storm water is Washington, orange, west part of Montana, and northern part of Oregon, and southern part of Canada. Now, I don't know what all these states up in Canada. They got states, but it's not states. They call categories. Categories thing like states. They got like 13 in Canada. And whoa, a 911 telephone outage right there. I don't know where it's at, but it's in Goshen, Montana. That's right there somewhere. Yep, right there, there it is. Right there. And whoa, look at these temperatures. Whoa. Next up, we're gonna check the snow. In New York. Oh, I need to pick something up. Hold on. Hey! That would be a good spot for storms, but hey, you know what? That is a good spot with camera, but you're not gonna see a lot of lightning. And I want this to come up because the lightning is gonna hit right through my cable. I don't want that to happen. Like it did to 31st of March of this year. Lightning just hit right there. I was in school that time. Got a little bit of daylight left. I don't believe it. I cannot see a thing out. Yep, it's about a quarter inch of snow as of right now. Yeah, a whole area. Check down here. 2 to 4 inches of snow. We'll show you higher amounts. The one with forced rain is 1 degree. And the east part, Indiana, west part, Ohio is going to get less than 2. And it's going to be with mixed because it's warmer. 2 to 4 inches possible. I bet we're going to get like 3.5. Between 3.5 and 4 for here because we was the top part of it. And down here, okay, heaviest amount of snow right there. And the snow is covered like right there. Now all this crap right there, that's no sheet right here. snow, rain, and sheets right there. Rain, thunderstorms right here. And sheet to rain, thunderstorms right here. And just so snow right there. And they're gonna get rain down here. California do not get rain. That's impossible. And there's a couple low pressures pushing down, causing these to go down the snow. So in South Bend right now, 50% chance of snow. And oh my goodness, 100% windy mix. It is going to be happening at before 3 in the morning. Chance of dew showing at Wednesday. Mostly cloudy on Wednesday night. Wintry mix on Thursday. Thursday night. And it's possible on Friday. Chance of snow on Friday. Cloudy and Saturday. Now my camera is actually doing that as a video. That's the city I live. That's my hometown. Around 1 inch plus 2, that's 3 inches. They cannot have, that's 2.5, I need 3.5. Down here it's gonna be like 4 inches, so it's gonna be like 4 inches around Wednesday. So not a big snowstorm. If you're looking down here, the purple stands for ice. You guys can know that because, hold on, okay. Right there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Hold on. Is there a box I can use? Hold on. Okay. So you can look in the computer screen. You can see, guys, look at that. That is a lot of ice in the south part of the United States. Okay, now you guys can see it, right? Yes, okay. That's all ice. Then it hit 10 a.m. It's gonna be right there. Then the ice is gonna be right here and rain's below it. Now, between this and this, it's gonna be mix of ice. Hazards. Tonight, we don't know about it right now. Okay. Okay. So the ice is going, oh, look at that ice, it's growing and growing, growing bigger. About Wednesday, between 1 in the morning until like 6. And it's gonna cause some school delays, and down here it's gonna have some school delays. The wind gust to me, not too much. And look, one more thing. 17.1 degrees. Winter 5 until 5 a.m. to 4 a.m. Say 10 a.m. tomorrow. 2 to 4. It's gonna be like 5 inches of snow tonight because of the winter. So, part 2 will be posted tomorrow if we have a chance. And I guess I'll catch y'all later.